Corte, corte, corte. So guys, so right now we're gonna go to have dinner in an amazing place, really cheap. I'm gonna tell you like the prices and show you, and yeah, it's kind of nice. Okay, so we're gonna go to the soda factory because today is on Tuesday. They have like some promo and they have a bingo of songs, so it's so interesting. You can have hot dogs for $1, so it seems really cool and cheap. So let's go.
Okay, so I recommend you to take the train and you can stop on Museum Station because it's really close to Hyde Park. And yeah, don't forget to bring your ID with you because a lot of friends forget and you're gonna be in trouble if you do that. So yeah, we arrived to this amazing place. If you are looking for an epic night out filled with music, delicious food and fun activities, this is the place to be. So yeah, as you can see, the entrance is like in a secret refrigerator, so yeah, it's kind of cool. And the place is really nice. I'm gonna show you right now. The soda factory is not your typical bar. It's got that old school American diner vibe, but with a funky twist. You feel like you be a step into a retro movie scene, but trust me, it's more than just a cool look.
Okay guys, so right now we are here in this amazing restaurant. It's called Soda Baker. It's really cool because it's a free entrance. And yeah, they give you like a free drink. You can have a beer or a cocktail. So yeah, I recommend it because you want to have like hot dogs for $1. So it's really cheap and it's really nice this place. So yeah, let's go.
Let's talk about one of the highlights here, music bingo. That's super fun and brings the energy to a whole new level. Forget about traditional bingo. This is where you mark of song instead of number. Think of it as a game of a chance mixed with some serious tunes. Get ready to jam along to everything from 80 hits to today's banger. It's an awesome way to challenge your music knowledge while having blast with your friends. So there is no entrance fees and they're gonna give you a free drink and you can leave this place without trying these famous $1 dogs. They are really delicious and really cheap. And of course, what a night out without some great drink. The bar here serves everything from signature cocktails to craft beer. And they've got happy hour specials too. Trust me, whether you are a cocktail connoisseur or just looking for a good time, you'll find something here to keep you going all night. No, we are not drunk, we are not crazy. This is one of the activities that this amazing place have to offer. They give us this toilet paper and they make a contest about who have the better dress. And yeah, it was actually really fun.
She's so innocent. Oh my gosh, we love her. Who's our next contestant? Come on, June. Oh my gosh, she's amazing. She's amazing. All right, next contestant.
But the fun doesn't stop there. The Soda Factory has something going on almost every night. From trivia nights that test your pop culture knowledge to live music, there is always a good time to be had. They even host 10 parties. Whether it's a retro throwback night or something more modern, they know how to throw a party. And DJ said that will have you dancing until late. We're gonna explore the vibrant nightlife of Newtown, one of Sydney's coolest and most eclectic neighborhoods. From quirky bars to live music venues, Newtown is the perfect spot for a night out, whether you are after a chill evening or something a little more wild. One of the things that I love from this amazing bohemian neighborhood, Newtown, is the creativity. Even at night, the streets are full of color, and also they have a lot of street art.
Okay guys, so right now we are here in Newtown in this Bohemian zone. There is a lot of clubs and people come here to party. So yeah, we're gonna walk a little bit. We're gonna go to a bar, have some drinks with my friend and spend a cool time. We're gonna have fun and I'm gonna show you this amazing neighborhood. So let's go.
As you can see right now, this amazing mural of the cat, and the funny thing is then we find this amazing little cat, and yeah, it's weird because here in Australia it's not that common that you see street dogs, but yeah, I was curious to see like a mural of the cat and then a cat. And also another thing funny for us was we find this mural and it looks similar to one of my friends, and yeah, what do you think, it looks similar or no? Now let's talk about the bars. Newtown is known for its diverse selection of watering holes, from rooftop bars with stunning views of the city to cozy pubs with craft beers and cocktails. The vibe here is super relaxed. You can catch up with your friends or meet new people while you're enjoying a drink or two. Now if you're looking to turn up the energy and dance the night away, Newtown has got you covered. Everything from live DJ set spinning house, techno and indie beats to 10 parties that go late into the night. The crowd here is always diverse and super welcoming, with a mix of students, locals and travelers. It's a vibe like no other. You can go from a chill pub to a full-on club mode without even leaving the neighborhood.
We're gonna play some pool. And yeah, we're gonna have fun.
And as you can see, everyone is welcome. There was a dog having fun also.
Okay guys, so right now we are having fun. We're playing pool in this amazing bar. Yeah, so Newtown is really famous because they have a lot of bars and they are really nice. You can come to concerts and live here. You can enjoy playing pool. You also have some arcades into the bars and it's really cool. They have a rooftop and things like that. So yeah, having a cocktail or a really sweet cocktail with no alcohol and with a less alcohol because I don't drink a lot. And it is called lemon, lime and bitters that is really, really good. So if you don't like to drink alcohol, I recommend you this. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the bar. It's really cool and let's go. Salud.
To be honest, we don't know how to play, but yeah, we have an amazing time. We laugh a lot and the club is really, really amazing. They have a lot of space, they have a lot of activities, and was pretty fun to be honest. And also in Newtown you have a lot of other things if you like gambling or if you like karaoke or if you want like music, you have a bunch of options there. So yeah, it's really worth. If you're in Sydney and you want to live the nightlife, come to this amazing neighborhood. Here you can find live music shows, and if you continue walking you can see there is a lot of space. Was with no people that day because we came a little bit late, but you can see that they have these arcades games that they are really retros and they are working so you can play them. So yeah, it's kind of cool because I didn't see this in a long time.
So yeah, right now we are here in this part of the bar. You also have like a casino where you can play, and in this area you also can smoke if you are the crew. Another thing interesting for me here is that always the water is free, and if you need coffee or tea, they're gonna give you for free. That is interesting because in Ecuador it's not like that. Even for water they charge you. So cool.
The other thing interesting for me is the gambling culture here in Australia. It's common that people go to gambling or go to casinos, and here in these little pubs you also gonna find these machines of gambling. And like I was telling you, one cool thing about nightlife in Australia, and something that you will notice in Newtown's bar, is that many spots actually offer free water and coffee. That's right, when you are out and about, you can easily grab a glass of water to stay hydrated or even sip on a coffee if you need a little pick me up during a long night out. It's a great way to keep the good vibe going without always having to reach for an extra drink.
Okay, so we are tired. It's really late, and we also, I think we're gonna go to sleep. What time is it?
So yeah, time to go home. So let's talk about public transportation. Sydney train system runs something around 12:30 am and 1 am, depending on the station and the line. Once the train stops running, Sydney has the night ride bus, which operates between 12 am and 5 am. These buses cover many of the main routes. They are really lifesavers if you go out too late. They are really clean and also safe, and this is one thing I love because in my country, if you go out, you always have to take an Uber to go back home, and it's more expensive.
Okay, guys, so we finished here. We have an amazing experience. We have a really good time with my friends. Right now, we're gonna go home. So, yeah, thank you for being with me. Thank you for following me. Don't forget to share, give me a like, and leave a comment what you think of the bars here in Sydney and how are the bars in your city. So, see you guys. I love you. Bye. What time is it? 1 a.m. Pero bueno, 5, algo así como Pacífico. 25 hours. 25 and 6.